Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Yes, it's Free Funnel Friday by eKidHub and Noomu. And this time we're bringing in some content from our sister site at PLR Finders. And we have created a completely done for you funnel called the Reset Your Mind Clarity Kit, where your visitors can come to your website, they enter their name and email address, and they'll be able to download the kit. It includes a checklist, worksheet, and the quick guide that will help them get started. They will also be on your list so you can follow up with them. And everything is done for you, just a few tweaks that you need to do inside your Noomu dashboard. And this funnel is totally free for Noomu users. And if you're not using Noomu yet, you can sign up for a free 14-day trial and see how it works for you. All right, so when you have the funnel link, all you do is enter it into your browser and you will be brought to a page to either create your free trial account, or if you already have an account, make sure you log in and add it to your existing project. Don't start a new project that creates a different billing plan. Let's take a quick peek of what's included in this funnel, and I will show you just a few things that you will need to update to make it fully functioning in your new website. So when you go over to pages, which is over here, you'll see we have the sign up page. There is a thank you page. Over in messaging workflows, we do have an automation that includes a welcome email for you. Now, you can also move the funnel into your existing website. So right now it exists separately. When you go under My Sites and Funnels, you see I have a website that has two funnels already included, and this is separate. If I want to add it into my website so that the list gets included with my contacts there and I'm following up people with the same place, it'll take on your branding colors. You would just find a funnel, and I'll show you again, it was under My Sites and Funnels, and then the funnel here, and you just click the gear and it says move to website in this project. Just one word though, if you do move it into your website, you will just need to redo the automation, and we'll have a peek at that and I'll show you what that involves. And we do have another tutorial that gives you tips on how to do that very easily. So let's just take a look at what we've got going on here. It's pretty much ready for you to go. The forms are ready. Actually, there's nothing you need to do to change about them, but I'll just give a little quick look at them so that you can obviously change the fields that you want. But let's look at the settings. You can see the form as a name. So when you're notified, you'll know what they signed up for. You can choose to have it notify you or not. You can see that once they sign up, they go to the next step, which is the thank you and download page. It's already connected to an email marketing list, and it also has a tag. If you change anything about the form, remember that there are two forms, so you will need to update the one at the bottom as well if you change anything, but you don't need to. This is just a little note for you that it shows you how to find this video that you're watching. And also the Clarity Kit is ready for them to download. The PDFs are ready, but if you want to brand them or edit them or anything, you can grab the PLR rights here. That is here for you. You can see the link and you can follow that if you'd like, but the files are all set and ready for you. When you're done with this, you can just delete the widget. You just put your mouse over it, you click that so it's not on your site. So the only other thing on the main page that needs to be changed is this section about you. You can add your own image here. You click edit image, you click on the image, and you can upload your photo if you like, or you can go in the image directory if you want to find something that represents your business if you don't want your photo there. Lots of images to choose from, and add your name here or whatever you would like that little description to say. So then you can just update your name here, who your audience is, or you can change it to something that is more appropriate for what you want to give to your audience. Then let's take a quick look at the thank you page. It is ready also to download. If you click this button, you click edit link, and then you can see the zip folder of the guide, the worksheet, and the checklist are already there. If you end up getting the source files and then you edit them and brand them, then you would just come back here and upload yours. So it just works like exactly like the images. You just go upload file. You would put your new one in if you made that change. If you're not going to change it, it's ready to go. This space is just a reminder that you can promote your product or service here if you want. If you don't want to, you can delete it, but you can add new blocks. There's lots of different styling that you can add and make it look really nice and draw attention to it and make a compelling offer to the people who have signed up. So really just not much to do here except for do something with this space, delete it, add something different. And then let's go under the messaging and workflows. So as I mentioned that the automation ready here, and let's just to take a peek at it. So it's when someone fills in that form, they get tagged with that tag, and that triggers this automation, which then sends them a welcome email. The welcome email is ready to go, except for you'd want to add your name here, and you can replace this with your logo. If you don't want to add your logo, just put your mouse on it, click it, and then you click the garbage can here. Or if you want to update it with your logo over on the left and upload your logo, and you'll be good to go. So it links to the download page already. You don't have to worry about that. And it's all set. Of course, you can make edits that you save all your changes. And the only other thing you'll need to do is you will need to turn the automation on. But before you can do that, if you're brand new to Noomu and you're not moving this into your existing website, you do need to go under your messaging and workflows. You'll just need to verify your domain name for email sending. It's required by Gmail and Yahoo and all that stuff. It's just the requirements and be able to send bulk email to people. So you just walk through the steps. If you ever get stuck, I'll show you where you can get help. We will walk you through this. If we have instructions for you, if you have any trouble, happy to help you walk through it. And then you would add your brand details and stuff like that, your company name, address, and all that stuff. Then you'll be ready to make it live. So if you are adding this into your website, as I noted, the automation won't transfer over, but I do have a tutorial for you that will help you if you're using our done for you funnels and adding them in there, an easier way to duplicate this. So that's basically it. Update that email, turn on the automation. In the main page, you are basically just removing this once you've had a chance to look at it, and you're updating this section. And on the thank you page, just add a probiotic promotion or just remove that text. And you will have a fully functioning funnel that is ready for you to grow your list with. Now, if you need help, anytime you're in your builder, there is this little help or question mark at the bottom left. That takes you to our Noomu community, and you'll see the latest announcements. You can grab our free step-by-step success kit. You can join our weekly live support sessions where we work with you on screen. So if there's things you can't figure out on the screen or you just want to ask some questions and have things demonstrated to you, that's what that's all about. But of course, you don't have to wait for the weekly support sessions. You can check out our FAQ and contact us directly anytime you need help. We have other turnkey templates for you, website templates. You can also ask questions in the forum, free classes, and we would love for you to show and tell what you're working on, what you've customized, or what your vision is. Just a little place to brag about what you've been working on, and we'd love to see it. We can also completely build your website for you. All right, so that's basically it. Looking forward to seeing you grow your list, get your free reset your mind clarity kit up and running so that people can get this much needed help to make their days a lot better. And of course, let us know how we can help you.